let's solve problem on quadratic equation. Here, we are asked to find the value of b for which the equation bx squared plus bx plus 1 is equal to 0 to have equal roots. Now, for a quadratic equation to have an equal root, the discriminant has to be equal to 0. That is, our d must be equal to 0. What is the discriminant? The discriminant is equal to b squared minus 4ac must be equal to what? 0. Now, the question says we should find the value of b. Now, this is the quadratic equation bx squared plus bx plus 1 is equal to what? 0. Now, let's write the standard form of the quadratic equation. The standard form of the quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now, the coefficient of x squared here is a. Now, by comparison, comparing this standard form of quadratic equation to this quadratic equation, it means that the coefficient of x squared is b. So it means that our a is equals to b, and here bx is equals to bx. That is, the coefficient of x is b. So comparing to this, it means that our b is equals to what? B. Then our constant c is equals to what? 1. That is the constant. So we're going to substitute this, the value, into the discriminant. That is b squared minus 4ac equal to what? 0. From this, our b is still b, so our b squared minus 4. What is our a? Our a is b. Then our c is equally what? 1. All equal to what? 0. So here, b squared minus 4b is equal to what? 0. Now, to resolve this, b is common here. Since b is common, we can factorize this as b into b minus 4 equal to what? 0. Therefore, b is equal to 0, or b minus 4 is equal to what? 0. Therefore, at this point, if b is equal to 0, or b minus 4 is equal to 0, therefore b is equal to what? 4. Now, b cannot be 0 at this point. B cannot be 0. So the correct answer is what? B is equals to 4. So if you find this video helpful, please click the subscribe button and don't forget to make your comments